All right, class, lesson number 19. It's Wednesday this week. It's on page 118. Today you're going to learn how to use basic multiplication to find the missing number in a division fact. Okay? And then fact family, give me some facts. You'll have two multiplication problems and you'll have two division problems in your fact family, just like addition and subtraction. We better take a quick look at what a division problem looks like. Most division problems look like this. It's a division box. You have numbers inside of it, 24, and a number you're going to divide on the outside, 6. Tomorrow we're going to look more at that. And then your answer is called the quotient, okay? And so that gives you 4. Now you could have a problem that look like this, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. You could have a problem that look like this, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Today we're going to focus mainly on ones that look like this. Okay? All right, good. Let's jump right into our example problems. You should have your power up from today, power up C, Wednesday, flipped over on the backside, divided into 6. Example number 1 says, what's the missing number in this problem? 4, 20, question mark. You would read it from the inside out. 20 divided by 4 equals what? Or you could read it this way. 4 times what number equals 20? 4 times what number? Now, if you're using your multiplication chart, remember you're going to jump on the 4, you're going to slide down to the 20, and you're going to shoot off to the side. That's how you would divide on it. And your missing number is 5. 20 divided by 4 equals, get rid of that question mark, equals 5. If you wanted to check it, you could say check a problem, check, check, check. 5 times 4 equals 20. That's going to kind of help us with our fact families. That's why we did that. All right, number 2. Now that you got a problem here. It says, to play a game during physical education class, we call that Phy-Ed, 18 students must separate into 3 teams. One on your team, one on your team, one on your team. One on your team, one on your team, one on your team. So we're going to go 18 divided by 3 equals how many players per team? Get on the 3, slide down till you see the 18, shoot out to the side, and you're going to get a 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. 6 what? 6 players. That's a pretty good team. 6 players. Example number 3. You have to turn the page for that one. It says an art teacher plans to distribute 80 sheets of paper equally to 10 students. So it's just picture, there's just 10 in here. One for you, you. One for you. One for you, you. 2 for you. Oh, mine, that'll take a long time. So let's not do that. Let's divide. We're going to take 80 pieces of paper divided by 10 students. Or we can say it like this. 10 times what number equals 80? 10 times what equals 80? Depending on what you like dividing or multiplying, you should come up with the answer of 8. Get on the 10, slide all the way down to the 80, shoot out to the side, and you'll get 8. 8 what? 8 pieces of paper. Example number 4. It says write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts for the fact family. 6, 5, and 30. 5 times 6 equals 30, and 6 times 5 equals 30. Flip it over, you get your division. I like to write them like this. 30 divided by 6 equals 5, or 30 divided by 5 equals 6. You notice the 5 and 6 just switch places here? And notice 5 and 6 just switch places here. Now if you want to do this with a division sign, like you did here, you could write it going like this. 30 divided by 5 equals 6, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. It's your choice. I kind of like the division boxes. Lesson practice now. I think they're pretty simple. Let's see if we can't fit 2 in each one. Here we're going to do A and B. A says 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. And B says 24 divided by 4. I'll give you a second. Good. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. All right, let's do C. Over here, and G. C and G. C says 30 divided by 6. Jump on the 6, slide down, you find the 30, shoot over to the side, and you should get 5. And G, I try to make it really, really tough for you guys, but you're great at this kind of work. 56 divided by 8. 8 times what number equals 56? 8 times what number equals 56? Or get on the 8 side, 56, shoot out to the side, and you should have got 7. All right, guys, remember, whenever you do fact problems, you got 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. When we're talking about multiplication and division, you got 2 multiplication problems and 2 division problems. Use your missing factor in a multiplication problem to figure out your division. 20 divided by 5 equals 5 times what number equals 20? Times 4 if you can. Okay? All right. We will see you on our next video.